It's fucking beyond bedtime. Rolling to Torrance's house. Gonna film some paint prep, some sanding, so the guy can prime it. And then he can paint it.
What are you doing? You have to take the setting off now because it doesn't look like I have makeup.
Doesn't look like I have makeup on. Does it look like I have makeup on? Maybe I do.
Makes your face look really soft. That's what Peter McKinnon says.
Soft kitty, warm kitty. On the way to Torrance's. Gonna get fucking torrential with it, if you know what I mean.
He's got the whole car taped off. He's doing some filling and some sanding. So we're just gonna go hang out for a little bit, see what's going on.
It's almost bedtime.
Oh!
7:37.
School tomorrow, man.
We're about 15 minutes away.
Haven't dropped out yet.
That's surprising. Illegal. Let us know what you guys think about the new camera. Super light. Look at how quick it's like auto-focusing and auto-adjusting. That's pretty fire. Oh, wait. That's pretty...
Torrance just abusing the trunk. He sees us. What do you think of the new cam?
Hello?
Hello?
Anybody home?
Take a look at this. You want to see yourself? Watch, ready?
Oh my god.
It's crazy.
That's horrible.
Sunroof masked off. I leave the driver door open till the very end in case I need to pop a trunk or a gas. I've done it too many times. But yeah, this side's all masked off. This is all masked off. Your hood is...
Getting vents, man?
Yeah, check this out. The slatzkitz V-vent fits the Sylvia bodyline. Fucking flawless.
That's pretty tight.
That's pretty sick, eh? So when do we put a hood vent in it?
That's $1,000 hood.
Well, okay, not really, but like...
No, fuck it, let's cut it right now.
Fuck, I'd feel
Let's
so
start
bad.
cutting holes right
Cutting
now.
a hole in a
cut it.
Sylvia hood? Yeah, okay. There
Yeah,
you go.
sorry, no.
I'll give him a hacksaw.
Yeah.
It'll be straight.
Just do it with the drill. Just drill all the way around.
20 minutes later, like, I got one side done!
We must pay homage to him.
I've noticed a lot of times people like compare my pricing to theirs and then spray the PVA down on the mold and then you let it dry for whatever, an hour. Once the PVA is dry, you take gel coat, brush out the gel coat, let it sit for like 45 minutes, brush out another coat of gel coat, let it sit for like an hour and a half. Then I do my first coat of fiberglass and resin, let it sit usually for, if I've got the whole day, I'll let it sit for a few hours, and then if not, the next day I'll come and do my second coat, and then let it sit for another day, pop it out of the mold, trim it all out, sand the edge, and then if there's any like air pockets or imperfections, just address those.
dent right there. That's about it. That's really good.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
so surprised seeing these fenders like this.
Like mint?
Yeah, like they've always looked so fucked.
Just not seeing them like wrinkly and bacony.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Such a nice feeling, eh? This one's actually pretty good. This one's not bad at all.
This one too is
Yeah, we kind of like, we sort of were standing it. We were just like, I don't know if I'm making progress. Like, well, not that we didn't know, but it was like, metal was like coming out. So we were like, well, we can only sand it so much before you just end up with a bunch of high spots. So we just figured we'd prime it, and then at least we'd get an idea of like how bad it is. These really dull patches is where the filler sucks in the primer. So you kind of see like dull patches. What I usually do is I'll give it like a light scuff and then sand any areas like where the filler was, and then come around and do a spot prime after, and then that just kind of helps get the filler to sort of disappear once you actually come time to paint it. Whatever, we'll just sand it down and I'll do another coat. Usually that's all you need to do is give it a sand down, and yeah, it's like already dry to the touch. Usually we can just give it a sand down again and then just spray it again, and a lot of the time that's all you need to do. Once in a blue moon, actually you know what, I'll probably try the epoxy primer on it and see if it seals it up a little nicer than this stuff does. But yeah, no big deal. That's
Right on.
minor. But I'm stoked on how this is turning out.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks really good. Door jambs and everything too. I love that look.
Looks really good.
Yeah.
Looks like the cracks pretty much filled for the most part.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, they're not too bad, especially once like I give them a scuff, and then if I do it quick, I think I'll do a quick prime because I got to get like the back wheel wells on it. So I usually kind of do a prime this way, and then I'll flip the bumper around and just hit the ends. But I might just like sand this down and then do another quick spray on just like the front bottom here to help those cracks kind of disappear a little bit more.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'll prime this later when I do that as well. Yeah. Honestly though, this is all really good. Like, this is minor for like touch-ups after the fact. A lot of the time I kind of like to prime things just so I can see how bad it actually is. And this is fine. All one color.
So that was just primer for today, and then what's next on the...
So tomorrow we'll start to do the wet sanding on it and then address any of the last dings, dents, areas that we're just not 100% happy with. Once it's wet sanded, nice and smooth and ready to go, then we're ready to spray some color on it and get this thing all super white.
Oh, yeah. I guess I should probably do a walk around. I don't even think I did that yet.
I love it, like when you see it like for the first time, all the body work kind of done.
Yeah. Especially satisfying for you.
Oh yeah. And I love that this car isn't going to be gray. I'm so sick of painting gray vehicles or silver.
Yeah.
Silver or gray for like months now.
Husky.
Yeah. Husky gray.
Yeah.
Well, we'll put everything, all your Instagram and shit in the description
Thanks,
so
buddy.
people can check you out.
Yep. Yeah, we got some new fiberglass that'll be hopefully popping up on the old Instagram page here.
Yeah. Pretty excited. It looks sick. Excited to see it one color, no more two-tone.
No more two-tone.
This thing's been ugly for
Timmy
Timmy
two-tone?
Yeah.
It's
So it's gonna be
been-
cool.
It's all coming together.
Yeah.
It is all coming together.
If you're on the island and need paint or fiberglass repair or parts made, like Torrance is making Noah some skirts here. Well, from these. Then
GPS
yeah.
style.
Yeah.
Yeah, hit me up if you guys ever need fiberglass repairs, paint jobs, paint repairs. Slatzkitz will take care of you.
Excellent guy. Wheels are a bit big, but we do judge. So it's not
Fair
okay.
enough. Well, grip's not for everybody. He just smiles like.